Let's include. Hi, Rick.
Oh, he talk when he wants.
Oh,
Really.
it's up to him.
Up to him, yeah.
How old Ricky is?
But with us, like 30 years.
30 years?
Yes.
He's older than me?
Yeah, of course. So no,
Hi, you dancing. Hi, Ricky. How are you?
yes, he said, yeah. Quiet.
Hi, Ricky. Hello.
Hey, hey.
Hello.
Hey,
Come on, talk to me.
hey.
Come on, Ricky, talk to me.
Asha.
Si Asha.
Daddy Ma. Chachima?
Chachima?
Where is Chachima? He used to call Sultana's mom.
Chachima? Oh, I see.
Chachima.
How he called down Masood, mom?
No, she don't call
Oh, I
her.
see.
Yeah.
One time he said hello.
Yes, no, they all the time.
Hello?
We have,
Oh, he eat the egg.
come
Oh.
over here, Kitty.
Kitty. Hello, Ricky. How are you? It's cold in here. You're shaking.
No, he changed it because we are here.
Oh,
And
I see. He's showing his. Oh, I see.
They know how to get warm.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it's like us, right? You put a sweater.
Like, yeah.
So that's the coat that they have.
Oh, I see. Nice to know. Hi, Ricky. Sometimes he's. Oh, he's hungry?
No.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God, Ricky, you're older than me. You're 30 years old.
With us.
With us, so when you buy that, it's
No, somebody give it to us.
Oh, somebody gave it to. So I'm older than 3 years old.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Hey, I'm making you blog, Ricky.
Yeah.
I'm gonna upload this.
Yes. We have a guest, and the guest used to swim, and he used to say, he
Oh,
whistled
yes, he
hard.
whistle hard.
Yes.
Somebody swim in the
Yes.
pool.
So then
Oh, I see.
she said, oh, somebody. She saw the guy there throwing the trash.
Oh,
And
there.
he told me, oh, you know what? This man, he whistled at me when it's an old lady,
Oh, I
but
see.
she's from England. And I said, no, it's the bird. The bird. And her husband was laughing. He said, my wife she was saying the guy is whistling at her. She said,
Oh, he whistled. Somebody throw the trash. You're good